Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this fringe braided wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Then also, if you want to know how to make this wig, I'll put a link for you in the description box down below, just in case you want to know how to make it, because I have a detailed tutorial on how to make it. And then also, if you want to add the highlights, you can just add the highlights like this, the fringe and the side braids, and I really love how it came out. And then also, if you don't want these beads, because I know someone told me she doesn't like the yellow things in front, so they're just beads, you can remove them and put the gold ones, or just remove it. And if you don't like the beads, it also has a band just to make it more secure. You don't have to wear it with combs, so you can, if you don't like the beads, just remove them, or you can remove and put the color that you prefer. So this wig is very light, as you can see. Thank you so much for your support. I'm planning to do a giveaway, guys. I've been planning to do a giveaway since January, but I've just been busy. But I promise to do the giveaway very soon, and I'll be giving the wigs to 3 different people. One of my viewers, any of my viewers, those people always comment on my videos, and then anyone who's suffering from hair loss. And then also I'll be giving away to one of my clients. So guys, make sure you comment down below. You know, you never know, maybe you're the one who will win the giveaway. So guys, just comment down below if you love this style. And then also, again, if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. I ship my wigs worldwide, because I know some people always ask me, do you ship to UK, do you ship to US? Yes guys, I ship worldwide. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.